The Lealchum Dog Car Seat Large offers a generously sized interior that comfortably fits one medium or large dog or two small dogs, while still leaving room for them to stretch out. Its thick cushioned base and plush memory foam walls create a cozy, nest-like space that keeps dogs relaxed and less anxious on long drives. Multiple restraint options, including dual clip-on leashes, a channel for the vehicle safety belt, and a non-slip underside, work together to keep the seat anchored and pets securely in place. The fully detachable design with removable covers makes it straightforward to take apart and machine wash, so fur, dirt, and accidents are easy to manage. Sturdy construction with strong stitching and durable zippers helps the seat maintain its shape and support over time, even with frequent use and heavier dogs. Thoughtful extras like side storage pockets and the ability to double as a portable dog bed at home or on camping trips add real day-to-day convenience for both pets and owners.